Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Microsoft tumbles amid weak Azure growth, while AMD beats earnings expectations with a non-GAAP EPS of 69 cents and revenue of $5.8 billion. Intel plans to cut thousands of jobs in a cost-saving move, and SoFi issues strong Q3 guidance alongside an optimistic 2024 outlook after surpassing Q2 earnings estimates. Lumen soars by an intraday record of 77%, Meta's AI data centers house approximately 600,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, and Starbucks rallies on new strategic partnerships and positive U.S. business trends. Meanwhile, CrowdStrike faces challenges as Needham predicts their update debacle will pass, but at a cost over time. Stay tuned after the short ad break to learn more about these headlines. Microsoft shares dropped nearly 7% after hours on Tuesday. Despite exceeding fiscal fourth quarter expectations, Azure growth was weaker than anticipated. Microsoft earned $2.95 per share with a 15% revenue increase to $64.7 billion, but Azure's 29% growth fell short of forecasts. Total cloud revenue was slightly below estimates at $36.8 billion.
Advanced Micro Devices reported second quarter earnings per share of 69 cents, beating estimates by 1 cent. Revenue reached $5.84 billion, up 9% year-over-year, driven by record data center revenue of $2.8 billion and strong sales in AMD Instinct graphics processing units and EPYC central processing units. Gaming revenue fell to $648 million due to lower semi-custom sales. For Q3 2024, AMD forecasts revenue around $6.7 billion with a gross margin of approximately 53.5%.
Intel Corporation is expected to cut thousands of jobs to reduce costs and support its turnaround plan, possibly announcing the layoffs this week. The company, which has about 110,000 employees, will report second quarter results on Thursday. Last year, Intel reduced its workforce by 5%.
SoFi Technologies boosted its 2024 earnings and revenue guidance after second quarter results beat Wall Street expectations. The company expects third quarter adjusted net revenue of $625 million to $645 million and adjusted EBITDA of $160 million to $165 million. SoFi's financial services and tech platform segments now make up 45% of its adjusted net revenue, growing by 46% year-over-year. Second quarter GAAP earnings per share were $0.1, with adjusted net revenue at $597 million. Personal loan originations rose 12%, student loans surged 86%, and home loans soared 71%. SoFi's stock rose 1% in pre-market trading.
Lumen Technologies stock surged 77%, extending a 13-day winning streak with a 141% rise. This follows an agreement with Corning to allocate 10% of its global fiber capacity for Lumen's new AI-enabled network. The stock rebounded after falling earlier this year, driven by improved market conditions and strategic deals, including one with Microsoft.
NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang revealed that Meta's AI data centers house around 600,000 of NVIDIA's H100 GPUs. At SIGGRAPH 2024, they discussed open-source technology and Meta's Llama 3.1 language model. Analysts noted the shift to software driven by pre-trained models. NVIDIA's Blackwell rollout is set for early 2025 on Google Cloud.
Starbucks Corporation shares rose after the company reaffirmed its fiscal year 2024 financial targets and expressed confidence in its action plan. Despite challenges in China and the Middle East, strong performance was noted in Japan, Latin America, and some U.S. markets. Starbucks plans to open 100 delivery-only kitchens with Gapuff across the U.S., while Elliott Management has taken a stake in the company. Shares increased by 5.15% post-market but remain down nearly 20% for the year.
CrowdStrike stock dropped 7% after Needham reported that a sensor update issue will take time and money to resolve. Despite this, analysts still view CrowdStrike as a top security company. Delta Airlines is seeking compensation for an outage caused by CrowdStrike and Microsoft software. Needham cut its price target to $375 from $425 but maintains a buy rating.
Thanks for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us tomorrow for more insights. Have a productive day. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later until tomorrow comes around.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.